In this chapter, we'll be learning rotate from the modified toolbar. Using this command, you can make efficient work. This is its icon. You can find it in Edit toolbar also. Its shortcut is RO. There are two methods in the rotate command. We'll try the first option. So, to rotate the specified object, select the entity, then the rotation point, then the rotation angle. Now let's work it out and find it. I'm selecting the icon, going to the entity, then finding the rotate point, and then the rotation degree, giving it as 45 degree. This is the first type method. Using the same rotate command, we have another method. First, select the entities, then the rotation point, the base angle, and the second point, and selecting the new angle. Now, I'm going to type RO in the command bar. First, selecting the entity that has to be rotated. Next, the rotation point. And in that, you'll have to select the base angle. I'm giving it as B. And the angle is that. Next, the second point, and selecting the new angle that you want the entity to be in. The entity rotates as per the drawing, giving the specific angle that you want. Next useful command is scale. Its shortcut is SC. Its icon is this. You can either go to Home and also find this icon. Now, we are going to do it using the command. First, select the entity, then the base point, the scale factor, and this will be your result. Selecting the icon, selecting the entity, selecting the base point, and the scale factor is 2. Now, it becomes twice larger. Next, we are going to type SC in the command bar, and then select the entity, select the base point, and now it asks if you want to copy the base scale factor. So I type C and enter. And now I give the scale factor as 0.5, so it reduces. Here we have the copy image and also the whole object. Next, using the same method is selecting the entities, giving the base point, the base scale point, the second point, and the new length. As you can see here, it is 10 mm and the base point is 19 mm, and selecting the base scale from horizontal side, then the second point, then the new length. Now let's see how to do it. Select the icon, select the whole entity, then the base point, and then the scale or the reference. You can also type it as reference, and giving the base scale as the first point and the end point. Now you can stretch it how much ever you want. I'm giving it as 17. Let's see with another example. Now I'm going to type SC in the command bar. Then select the whole entity, select the base point, then giving the reference or the base scale. Typing B will give you the base scale. Now, diagonally selecting the base angle and the end point. That will be our new length. Whatever you select within this angle, you'll get it. Using scale command, you can change the size of any object. You can reduce it or increase it. Thank you.